Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. I hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into Walmartone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your desktop, open up your preferred browser first. I'll be using the Google Chrome to log into the Walmartone. And now after opening your preferred browser, on the search bar, click there and search for Walmart tone like this and hit enter. And on the first over here of the Google suggestions, you can see the walmartone.com over here, which is the official website. Click there. And now to enter to Walmartone, you can see the login option over here available on the top right corner of the phone. Click on the login, and after that a sign-in page will be displayed, and you can see you must enter your user ID, your country and your home office over here to sign into the Walmartone. And if you have any confusions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.